Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. We wish you many more. We wish you many more. Smile for me, Baba. Happy birthday to you. Why is the upset on your birthday? Yeah?
Baby Kai, put a smile on your
Put
face.
a smile on your face. Kairo, smile. Oh my. He upset.
He's a feisty one on his birthday, ain't he?
Alright. So, good morning, guys. It's Baby Kai's birthday. We're
Happy birthday, Baby Kai.
Yes, we're
My
feeling
number one.
our number one. We're feeling very excited. You know, it's quarantine-ish birthday. We're gonna try it though and make it the best possible birthday for our baby. Yes, guys. So follow us today on Baby Kai's birthday. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscription button down below. Carol, you're giving them a smile?
That's your smile.
Smile. Hey, alright. So our plan is today is to keep a quarantine birthday party. We're going to invite some friends and our families. More so, we're going to the beach.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, we're going to the beach.
So it's beach, then party later. So follow us, join us,
Yeah.
like, share, subscribe, comment. Alright? Later.
So guys, we are setting up the area for Baby Kai's virtual birthday party before we head off to the beach. We were planning to go to the beach and when we come back we set up. But you know, if you ever go to the beach, you know say Hello, mommy can't blow balloon again. If you ever go to the beach, you know say we say you come back get tired, so we decided against that. So we're just gonna set up. This is really pretty. Kairo. I'm just blowing up some balloons now. We never blow up big. We not blow no more balloon. Many balloon then I have look. This is the second balloon bursting from there. I've only had heat and now we have 6, so we not blow no more.
So guys, look at it. This is what we did. This is the finished product. Yeah, well, this is what I did.
I know him alone. I'm sure no one see me help, but you know the baby kinda, you know, cranky. But
Happy birthday, Kairo.
for the most part I invite for sure.
Yeah.
So tell me, rate we are real designers though. The Kairo, you like it? Don't touch it, we don't want to burst it. It look nice, look. You did a good job, baby. The Kairo like it too.
Yeah, it's part of nice.
All for the baby. All for your papa. Sweetie Kairo. Yeah, we're just gonna get little something to eat and head out to the beach. So yes guys, we soon reach the beach. We have another probably 5 minutes or less to go. Yes, yes, another 5 minutes or less to go. We just see a lot of police and ambulance on the road. I pray that everything is okay because we don't understand. Usually in a Cayman we don't see so much police or even ambulance on the road. So just I pray everything alright. But we are excited. We can't wait to reach the beach. We can't wait to touch the water. And as I can see, the water, the sky overcast, and it's the perfect weather for the beach. Right? We are dry land tourists. We don't like when time sun hot. We like when time the sky overcast. No, Leo? Yeah. Stay tuned.
So guys, we're approaching the beach area. We're walking up to the beach to take some pics. Time is overcast. I'm hearing some thunder. Hopefully we can get a few shots, some videos, and a little swim before we actually head home, before this rain comes tumbling down. Stay right here, so I'm gonna stay on this. Here we are guys, ninth stretch of beach. This is a part of what they call the 7 miles beach. 7 miles of continuous beach.
Don't try that one.
Alright, so we're gonna take some photos now of Kai.
So baby's taking a walk. You might go take a dip. See the sky still? Sky overcast. Sweetie Kai is not so sweet today. I don't know why I'm so grumpy. I don't know how the sky overcast and we look like we are get sunburn already. That is weird. So people there here now. People out there so. Gosh baba. People exercising. I think it's because it's a different environment for the baby. Why in kinda fussy. But I'm gonna put you down right here so. And we're gonna take a dip.
Kairo says no for the water. We're heading home guys. Kairo is not having it. Nice beach. Until the next time. Guys, we're heading back home. Soon time for the party to start. Alright, so this is the official welcome. So welcome to Cairo's first birthday party, and we are about to begin. So we will start off with a word of blessing. So everyone, let's pray. Heavenly Father, Lord, I thank you for this day. Mighty God, I thank you, Mighty God, for my son who is here celebrating his first birthday, oh God. Thank you, Mighty God, for keeping us through so many testing and trials, oh Heavenly Father. Mighty God, we give you thanks and we give you praise, Mighty God. We pray that you will intervene right now, God. Let this birthday party be led by your Spirit, oh Heavenly Father. Continue to protect us, continue to guide us, continue to keep us under your blood in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Bless all those who are here. I'm online with us as well, sharing in this wonderful moment, oh Heavenly Father. Keep them safe, Almighty God. Let your blood cover them and their families, oh Heavenly Father. Lord, we give you thanks and we give you praise. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
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 Amen. Amen.
Alright, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to Kairo. Mr. Sweetie Kai. After 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
1.
How old are you now?
1.
How old are you now?
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Alright, so birthday wishes time.
Wish little man a happy birthday today. Wishing him lots of love, lots of blessings, and for him to grow up to be a strong and a God-fearing young man.
Amen.
And I just want to sing happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Katie.
Thanks, Kadian.
Well,
Hello.
everyone, this is Paris.
Hello, Carrie.
I just want to wish my nephew a happy birthday. Being a baby is like one of the best thing ever, especially on your special day today, Kairo. I want you to smash the cake, put everything in your mouth, spit it on mommy, and cry when get mad. This is your birthday. I want you to have fun. So happy birthday, baby boy. Auntie loves you.
Baby Kai from your dada, I wish you a very happy birthday, okay? Don't cry on me, man. Come on. Come on. Happy birthday, baby. I love you so much, okay? So I'm going to be a good boy and a brave little boy, alright? Love you, love you. That's why I can love you at that. Sleep, man, but you have to eat cake before you sleep.
Alright, so we're gonna cut the cake now because Karen's getting a little cranky.
Getting cranky. Karen, you cut cake already? What is this?
Alright, all listeners, focusing on me since they said was nice. Then they're watching around something.
Alright, so Karen's about to cut the cake. So 1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, this Italian
Started the cake already, yes? Alright, so Kairo has this big gift right here. Kairo, be a good boy and rip it up.
Alright, Papa. Hold this like that. Alright, Papa, it's time to pull your cake. Can you pull it? I'm not leaving. Alright, Papi. Look, tear it. You gonna tear it up? You're a good ripper? Yes, good boy.
There we go.
Alright.
One part off.
Alright, tear it. Alright,
Yes, papi.
Like that. Sure no?
You have to help him, baby.
Sorry for this here. Push button. Alright.
Alright, Cairo. So you have your junior cruiser, your tricycle. You happy, baby? Let's see his face.
Very tired.
Alright, so thank you again everyone for attending, helping us to celebrate Cairo's first birthday. You guys enjoy the rest of your day and be safe and be good, alright?
Thanks guys.
Bye bye.